Thank you for your time. One of the questions that we've been asked is, why do the videos require complex issues management? Quite simply, this is a complex issue. The transformation of businesses around rapid changes in technology, the automation of knowledge worker roles, the adoption of artificial intelligence, data analytics, machine learning, real-time decision making are all complex issues requiring a consolidated approach using proven pragmatic business principles consistently and persistently applied. There is no magic wand. There is no panacea. There is no silver. There are videos that we are hoping to produce to help people at other levels of skills and expertise to work through the transformation. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.